Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mazda MX-5. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental shape of the car. First, draw a basic rectangular base to define the main body. Next, add 2 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced. Then, lightly sketch the overall silhouette, paying close attention to the car's distinctive proportions. This initial step is crucial for a balanced drawing. Now, let's refine the body lines to bring out the MX-5 character. Carefully define the hood, windshield, and roofline using smooth, flowing curves. Next, sketch the car's distinctive headlights, whether you prefer the classic pop-up style or the more modern fixed lights. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and the door lines, ensuring everything remains symmetrical for a realistic look. These details truly make the car recognizable. With the main body complete, it's time to focus on the finer elements. Detail the wheels by adding spokes and subtle tire treads to give them a realistic appearance. Then, lightly outline the interior, sketching in the seats and the steering wheel. Finally, start adding basic shading to your drawing. This will help create depth and give your Mazda MX-5 a three-dimensional quality, making it pop off the page. For our final slide, let's bring your Mazda MX-5 drawing to life. Enhance your shading, adding darker tones in shadowed areas and bright highlights where light hits the car. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines to ensure a clean and professional finish. Take a moment to review your work, making any small adjustments needed. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Keep practicing, and your drawings will continue to improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.